Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Lexus interior lights. Upgrading your interior lights is a straightforward do-it-yourself task that can significantly refresh your vehicle's cabin. You will discover how simple it is to swap out old bulbs for new ones, enhancing both nighttime visibility and the overall aesthetic. This quick modification offers a modern touch and a brighter, more inviting interior space. Before starting, ensure you have the right tools. A plastic trim removal tool is crucial to prevent damage to your interior panels. You will also need the appropriate replacement bulbs. Many Lexus models commonly use 31mm or 168/194 size LEDs. For safety, always turn off your car and consider disconnecting the battery to prevent any electrical shorts during the process. Now let's get to replacing the bulbs. Using your trim removal tool, gently pry off the light covers. Insert the tool at the edge and work it around until the cover comes free, being careful not to crack the plastic. Next, pull out the old bulb. If it is a halogen, it might be hot. Insert your new LED bulb securely. Remember, some LED bulbs are polarity sensitive, so if it does not light up, simply flip it around. Once the new bulbs are in place, snap the lens covers back on. Turn on your vehicle's lights to ensure all the new bulbs are working correctly. You will immediately notice the enhanced brightness and a more modern feel in your Lexus interior. LED bulbs offer superior longevity and energy efficiency compared to traditional halogen bulbs, providing a lasting upgrade to your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.